I would like to welcome and acknowledge to our very own energetic, workaholic, and generous Mayor of Zamboanga City, Honorable Kimmer Agdan Olaso, together with his lovely and beautiful wife, my kumare, Ma'am Mary Joy Olaso. And of course, the best friend of Madam Mary Joy Olaso, Ma'am Heidi, together with her lovely husband, of course, the good friend of mine. Welcome to our fellowship night. Fourth leg, off-road 4x4 challenge. Thank you so much and good evening.
Send ko ng ating napaka-organizer ay workaholic nating mayor ng Zamboanga City. Alright?